Case name SK Mahapatra, age is 49 years, and today date is 1st August 2024, and complaint of high pitch voice even after puberty. ENT finding is a phonatory gap. So Mahapatra, I want speech sample before treatment. Why you came here? What challenges you are facing?
Yeah, I got a high speech voice. So
high pitch voice.
Yeah.
When you are talking, what challenges you are facing in day-to-day life and especially on the phone?
Not on phone, like especially I can make out myself, like the voice is that bass is not there. I mean, there is no, there is no strongness in the voice.
Post-therapy video of Mr. SK Mahapatra, and today date is 8th of August 2024.
Right.
And yeah, I want speech sample after the therapy. How do you feel after therapy?
Yeah, I'm feeling really great, and there are different. The first day was something different. It was high pitch, but now it is having more clarity and all.
What was your ENT finding?
Sorry?
ENT finding, laryngoscopy finding.
It was some, I think, phonetic gap was there.
So there was a gap between the vocal cord.
Minimal phonetic gap it was.
So of course this is very really challenging to treat, and because of your motivation, and we work hard and we can see the difference.
Yeah, 8 days you have given our heart and soul for that.
So from which place you came? What is your profession?
I'm a businessman, and I'm from Bhubaneswar. Even I have business in Mumbai also.
So what kind of business you do?
I'm into education. I am into all kind of. I have a real estate also.
Okay. So how you spend your time on Sunday?
Sunday. Last Sunday you are talking about?
No, normal Sunday what?
Normal Sunday I with my family only, mostly.
So tell your hobbies.
My hobbies includes I play snooker, and I give some time to my my son and friends and all. That is all about.
So after the therapy, today you spoke anyone, and have you compared your voice sample before and after? What you observe and what feedback you are getting?
Because because of my age, you can say, or whatever, like it was a gap of phonetic gap, so there was not much difference, but I am confident myself that there is a clarity altogether.
Okay, anyway, so those who are watching this video, please write in the comment box what change you are observing, and if you are able to observe any positive change, write in the comment box, so that again phonatory gap patient can get hope, motivation, and they can reach the right place. Can we use the video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
I think
in our social media page?
Sure, definitely.
Okay, thanks for giving the permission, and thanks for watching.